Hi, I'm Ryan Basa Pabiana. My friends call me Francis, and I'm the chapter president of Association of Young Environmental Journalists, or AYEJ Incorporated, in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Started out as an informal network of earth warriors and storytellers in 2017, AYEJ Incorporated is a startup media organization and environmental non-profit working to engage and educate civil society on environmental sustainability through youth development and journalism. AYEJ Incorporated is now planning to start the practice of media and information literacy, especially in integrating it into our policies. So the one reason why it is important for the youth to be empowered with MIL competencies is because we are the major users of media. We bridge communities online that are critical and responsible consumers, producers, and distributors of information. And building MIL competencies is important to achieve this. The MIL-related objectives that we have prioritized in our MIL action plan are to recognize the need to access information with the technology skills to interact with media and other information providers. The MIL-related activities that we will implement are MIL Competencies Webinar, Usapang Kalikasan, to write and to publish environmental stories that debunks false information. The sessions conducted by AIJC helped shape our action plan, integrating the strength of correct information in making informed decisions for the community and, of course, to let the earth be heard. Madamo kag daghang salamat.